Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Aries fire sign. This is May mid-month reading. This is general. May or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Lot of cards I'm not taking. Aries fire sign. What's going, Aries? My God. Lovers with the devil under the deck. The person involved in this connection could be especially Capricorn, Aries. So there is love, there is attraction, but it is about physical what I'm getting here. Definitely this person is obsessed with you. For some, this person, maybe you are obsessed with them. Definitely this is a toxic relationship for some, and I think this is more about physical. Yes. So let's see your reading. Excuse me. Recent past, Three of Wands, Queen of Pentacles and Two of Cups. For some, you both are in long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries or states. Definitely you decided to turn your back from your person, but you're still waiting on them from past. And Queen of Pentacles. So you are very caring and sharing person, Aries, but you decided to focus on your career also. And Two of Cups is there. I think this love is mutual. Yes, there is mutual love between both of you, but there is no commitment. Maybe your person playing games with you. Miscommunication or false communication. Maybe they are not available to you when you need them emotionally. Then present Eight of Swords, Eight of Cups and Five of Pentacles. Definitely past was okay, but present they started treating you as an option. Yes. They are neglecting you. You are feeling stuck. Maybe you only the person always taking care of this relationship. They are in and out of your life. That's why you decided to walk away from this connection. Because you are feeling stuck. And you are getting a lot of thoughts regarding this person. You are feeling anxiety also sometimes. That's why you are take your decision to walk away from this connection. Cold shouldering, yes. Then future Two of Wands, Seven of Swords and Knight of Cups. You are thinking, yes, still you are thinking about them a lot. For some you have options also. And again you both are in long distance relationship. But this person is sneaky. Definitely they are playing games with you. Maybe miscommunication, false communication. Maybe they are hiding something from you. But Knight of Cups is here. But someone is coming towards you in near future to offer their cup of love to you. For some it could be a new person. And this person is very, very romantic. For some it could be your past person also. It depends on your situation. But someone is coming to offer their cup of love to you in near future. And the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Very, very less Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. So let's see your person feelings and intentions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what's going between you and your person, Aries. Under the deck, the World. Some cycles are going to be end between you and your person. So Aries, their current feelings. Lot of Yes, Wheel of Fortune under the deck. They are waiting for divine timing or right time. They are spying on you. They are wondering about you a lot because you decided to walk away. For some, you already walked away. For some, you are going to be. For some, you are in no contest situation. So the Tower moment. Definitely, your person right now undergoing some Tower moment and Knight of Wands, but they still attracted to you. They are very, very passionate towards you, Aries. That's why they are watching you. So let's see their intentions. Seven of Pentacles, Star, Two of Cups, two times, Two of Swords with Six of Swords. So yes, your person want to fix the things between both of you, but right now there are some crossroads. They have to make some decision and they are in waiting mode. Maybe they are waiting for right time. That's why they are spying on you, but they're still hoping new beginnings with you because the Star card is here. And Two of Cups. Now they are feeling that you are their soulmate. Yes, this love is mutual, but they are recognizing, they are realizing you both now. After you walked, once you gone, they started realizing you both, Aries. And the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, especially Aquarius. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. The Sun. Yes, they are realizing you are their happiness. For some children also involved in this connection. Definitely they want to give clarity this time. And King of Pentacles. For some, your person is financially very, very abundant and they really want to offer stability to this connection. Queen of Swords. Yes, lot of attraction and communication, text, and Seven of Cups. They are fantasizing about you a lot. For some, you have options also, Aries, but they are very, very attracted to you. They are very passionate towards you. Children's also involved in this connection and communication. Maybe they are spying on you to text you. Definitely they want to text you. Yeah, you both are feeling sad for the separation. You both are feeling sad. And the Hierophant, I think there is no commitment in past. That way the separation had happened between both of you. But this time your person, yes, thinking about commitment. And they are very, very, lot of attraction, lot of passion between both of you guys. So let's see some more messages from your person and through the channel. Aries. Religious factors, your pure perfection, all I want is you, holding back, third party involved, and retreat. So the messages are religious factors. For some, your love life is affected by religious factors and your pure perfection, all I want is you, holding back, third party involved, and retreat. So these are the messages. Take what resonates. Yeah, for some religious factors or family issues. Third party means friends, family, or other man or woman. So let's see some messages for you from Moon Oracle deck, Aries. A win-win outcome is forecast, full moon in Libra. A fairy climax approaches, full moon in Aries. It's your reading. Definitely there is a solution is coming for some problems. Climax approaches and especially full moon in Aries, and a win-win outcome is your forecast, full moon in Libra. Definitely luck is on your side. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.